Hey programmers, I am Venkat Sai. Welcome to You Think Programmer. In this video, we are going to see Introduction to Python. Before you started searching the Python tutorial in YouTube, you got a doubt why I need to learn Python. Because nowadays Python is a top growing programming language. It is used for web development, game development, to make web applications, machine learning and artificial intelligence, data science and data virtualization. Like that, many more applications are there. And also Python is very simple, it is easy to learn. And also if you are new to programming, you can learn Python without any basic programming skills like C. That's why most of the people show interest to learn Python. Now we need to know what is Python. Python is a general purpose high level programming language, and also Python is both procedure and object oriented programming language. And now we also need to know some history of Python. That is, Python was founded by Guido van Rossum. I think you got a doubt why he kept name as Python. When he began implementing Python, he was also reading the published scripts from Monty Python Flying Circus, a BC comedy series from the 1970s. He thought he needed a name that was short, unique, and slightly mysterious, so he decided to call the language as Python. I think you understand in this video why we need to learn Python, what is Python, application of Python, and history of Python. By next video, we are going to see how to install Python software.